Hello and welcome back to Say Yes to Cooking with me Nibha. Today I am going to show you how to make vermicelli cake with cream cheese filling. So let's move into my kitchen and start cooking. We need around half cup of cottage cheese which I have grated, half cup of clarified butter or ghee, or you can also use butter unsalted, 3/4 cup of khoya, or you can replace it with ricotta cheese which is less in moisture, half cup of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some assorted nuts which I have crushed roughly, and some grated pistachios. 2 cup of milk, and this is sugar syrup which I have made by using 1 cup of water and 2 cup of sugar, and I have boiled it for around 10 minutes, and after it comes down to room temperature I'm going to add kevra essence in this, but you can add any essence which you like. You can also add rose water in this. I have taken over here 200 grams of vermicelli. It's slightly roasted and we have to crush it first. Crush it as much as you can. So now you see it's nicely crushed. I'm going to roast this in some butter. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons of clarified butter in this pan, and once it's hot I'm going to add these assorted nuts in this and vermicelli. And roast them together till you get a very nice aroma of the roasted vermicelli. It changes its color to a bit more golden. Roast it on low to medium flame. Now this vermicelli and nuts are nicely roasted, and you can see the color has changed to dark golden brown. Now we'll remove it and keep it aside till it cools down. So for making the cream cheese filling, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk, I'm doing this on medium flame, and once the milk is hot, now I'm going to add all-purpose flour in this and whisk it so that no lumps are formed. Corn flour, so now it has started thickening, and now I'm going to add khoya in this. Cottage cheese or paneer, and mix them. Mix them till they are nicely incorporated with each other. And now I'm going to add the condensed milk in this. And cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. If you want, you can add some green cardamom powder if you like. So now this cream cheese mixture is properly cooked. Now I'm going to remove it and keep it aside till it comes down to room temperature. So now I'm going to start layering. For that I'm going to brush the pan, baking pan, with some butter. While you're doing this, you can preheat your oven at around 350 Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to add the first layer of this vermicelli. Just press it down. And now I'm going to add this cheese filling. So after the layer of cream cheese, I'm going to again add the next layer of vermicelli. So after adding the last layer of vermicelli, just press it down. And now I'm going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. So now after 25 minutes, this is perfectly baked. I'm going to let it cool a little bit and then I'm going to flip it over a plate. So now I've flipped it over a plate. You can see the 3 layers and you can garnish it with some pistachios. And if you want to add the sugar syrup right now, you can add it at this point, but you can also add it while you are serving it. Now I had some extra cream filling, so I have just filled it into a piping bag and I'm going to decorate it. And this is how it finally looks. So now I've cut the slices of this cake and I'm going to add sugar syrup. And now this yummy and delicious cake is ready to eat. So do try it and let me know how it turned out. This is Niba signing off. Bye bye and happy cooking.